Welcome back. Today we are going to study qualities and criteria of a good research. Means on the basis of which we can say this study is good or this research is very good. Quality of a good research contain a systematic study. Actually, research is a process broken up into clear steps that leads to conclusions. It means discussion of step by step process to define a problem, potential parameters, discuss method, material, procedure, etc. and then results and its interpretation. Logic can include the act of reasoning by which researcher performed in order to form thoughts, opinions for the particular act to achieve the goal of research. Empirical research means study should be based on observations and measured phenomena and derives knowledge from actual experience rather than from theory or it means the study should be based on the experimental and observed value. Replicable. It is a most important term used in the research. One of the most important features of a scientific research paper is that the research must be replicable, which means that the paper gives reader enough detailed information that the research can be repeated or replicated. Replicability keeps researchers honest and can give readers confidence in research. Creative research is a production that produces new knowledge through a study that refine existing knowledge through an adoption of convention. Use of multiple methods. The results can be verified with different methods. The criteria of a good research must have purpose clearly defined. Means the study have the purpose clearly mentioned. Research process detailed. The study must have clearly detailed process. Research design thoroughly planned. The study must be planned thoroughly after the literature review and study all the concerned or affecting parameters. High ethical standard. The study must have followed the high ethical standards and the study must have mentioned what are the limitations of the research. Thank you.